I'm here at the Monster Truck Jam, and we are going to be face painting here today. I had to send Michelle home to get some new pants because they wouldn't allow her to come in with torn jeans. Too funny. She's pissed. Here's some more trucks. Zoom, zoom. Some real Kentucky people here walking my way. Yep, that's right, they made a Scooby-Doo monster truck. More real Kentucky people. Alright, let me try to get a panoramic view of everything. There we go. I'm too short. And we are painting right by this truck. It's a lobster. It's the crustacean.
Advanced Auto Parts Monster Santa Fe, and so you know that we buy a new battery, repair part, and auto parts, and next